Indoor gardening hacks for very busy people. As the days get colder and indoor activities become the norm, indoor gardening serves as a welcome change of pace. It brings a bit of nature and greenery into your home, as well as beauty, fresh air, and a sense of serenity. Unfortunately, not everyone has the time to properly tend to an indoor garden, especially large ones in greenhouses or sunrooms. Keeping plants alive and thriving can be a challenge when you're running from work to home to any number of other pastimes. Don't lose hope. Here are a few indoor gardening hacks for very busy people who'd like a little green oasis in their homes with little fuss. Choose low-maintenance plants. Pick plants that require minimal attention but still bring beauty to your space. Consider options like succulents, snake plants, and pothos, which are well known for their resilience and adaptability. And talk to the people at the gardening store. They should have more than a few suggestions. Purchase self-watering pots. Plants that water themselves? Not exactly, but here's the next best thing. Self-watering pots are a treasure for busy gardeners. These pots possess special reservoirs that provide a steady water supply to your plants, reducing the need for frequent watering. If you miss a day, it's okay. Self-watering pots have you covered. Set up a watering schedule. Keeping the importance of watering in mind, you should stick to a schedule even with self-watering pots. Avoid over or underwatering by setting reminders on your phone or calendar to ensure you never miss a watering session. Use smart technology. Invest in plant monitors and apps that track soil moisture, light levels, and temperature. With these insights, you can adjust conditions to suit your plant's needs without constant supervision. Group plants by needs. Familiarize yourself with your assorted plants' water and nutritional needs. Simplify your watering routine by grouping plants with similar watering requirements together. This way, you can water by group, saving time and ensuring each plant gets the right amount of hydration. Do the same for providing fertilizer and other nutritional supplements and growth aids. With these handy indoor gardening hacks for very busy people, maintaining an indoor garden while keeping up with a busy lifestyle isn't just a dream. By using these simple tips, you can enjoy the benefits of a lush indoor garden without sacrificing precious time.